or say do 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 sinigia. Eguve kunu doga yigba solo ve. My people, beware of bad friends. My people. Emi ragbona They say wetin you never see, you never waka reach there, my people. Hello everyone. Hello, it's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. My people, friends, beware of bad friends. When I see this Lolo and Monica issue, I was like, if you not learn for wetin happen, so I be say you not go ever learn again. If you no learn for wetin happen, so it go hard before you feel learn again, or before you feel even get sense again, my people. How can you they make friends? You they make friend a friendship of 10 good years. One go the everyone. You yourself, you not go even know. You just use your mind. You know when you get free mind now, you just follow friend, they go say, she not be like that. Even when the people go able to tell you, say, this person not like you. Even me, if they happen to me, I will they make friend. The person not go like me. Even though people even tell me, I will say they say na lie. It not be like that. It not be like that, my dear. You not go know. Because you get free mind. You get free mind. You just say nothing. No, just they manage each other. They go no. If you say this one not good, this one not good, you come for to play. You just they manage, then they go like that. This thing where they happen to Monica, so that is, if you not learn for what happen to Monica, so you not go learn again. You not go learn. I'm not talking say Monica say it's too good though, or say that it better pass. No, but for waiting this a friend do, we be say, if this one a lesson, if they make friend, if maybe, in fact, more than even the naked they give away on a friend, they not talk say now woman like you say I want naked. No, because you don't know what it go happen tomorrow. You don't know whether she go use that thing against you tomorrow. So no ever say you want naked for what your friend did again. If you even they do anything, maybe you be the wear clothes, you say they can you wear them. Because if you video you, if you keep her for rainy days, for the day where something go happen between two of you, it goes off your brain and come out. Your eye go, you go shock to lies. Like the way they do Monica so. Where our friend go bring the video, we be say she take drink, bring the video come out. My people. Now what if friend go fit do you rich? Now be that one. What if friend go fit do you rich? You go pour for why you don't go see tears. Monica, she's a strong woman. She feel even see come out for live videos, see talk, see address the issue, all those things, you know. But I shocked her lies with Lolo. No matter what, Lolo, if you don't bring that video out, no matter what, friend and friend they quarrel. Una feel settle tomorrow. Like the thing call just the worst. Where be say, does it mean say you never even like her before? Because this woman always did there for you. She always they fight for you. For you to do this kind of thing, that be say everything where she talk yesterday, that be say na truth. Where be say you they carry fake account, till they insult people, till they do many things to people. Does it mean say all those things not truth? My people, when I see her, I just cold enter my body when I see the video. Supposing I'm naked patient, I saw the thing for just to come out too. Now so the thing for just to come out. So Mona, dey careful. if una dey make friend, be careful. Be careful. You go dey follow friend, they go dey look you with bad eyes. Sometimes you no go know. It happened to me. I dey make friend with my mind. Sometimes I will just catch am with the eye go your jam. You go dey look me from back with bad eye. I'll say, I wish as how the reason as wetin make this girl dey look me like this. Why? I go the reason am. My dear, if you dey make all those kind friends wrong, pick raise. Before they go do you what you no go expect. Pick raise. Even many people come, they call Monica yesterday, they tell her, say, if 2 of them they do live video, whether or not they see highway, Lolo till they look am. She said she not they notice am. She not they notice and she not they able they know. Because she just they use her mind. Even she know that she never see one video even bring come out for Lolo because she don't get anyone. How dare you video your friend? You come break and come out when 12 don't quarry. You not good. All those kind of art, not good there. People go even they fear now. Anybody want to follow you, my friend, now go they fear. Say this girl not fit do me this thing when you do it, our best friend of. Now want to be friendship of 10 good years. Not be man you. Not be more 10 years. This is easy to keep friends for 10 years. You know easy, eh? Friendship, what the hard pass another day. Because one must come down for one. If one not come down for one, it's the hard. And if they make friend, that friend not the one apologize, not the one talk saying they wrong for anything. Anything when they doing the day right. My dear, run for that friend. It's not you not go feel be your friend because any friend will be say, you know they wrong. Now she they always the right for everything. My dear, pick raise. Pick raise. A friendship not for you. So if you stay with your children and your husband for his house. Because friendship not be do or die something. If you see say the thing is not working out, my dear, both the person, just know say not be your friend. You understand? Because what you call the apple now for this world now, because this social media don't really open our eyes to see many things. To see many things. To know say, so all those things they read. You know, I see all those things for all video before. I know they don't say really say they read the apple. But when I see this Lolo and Monica, what it don't happen? We could just warrant you to go bring that kind of video out. And I even hear which like that say you they if she get quarrel with people for Facebook, now you they even go they pump some of them, say maybe they bring your husband come out. So now that one and they pay her pass. And she they fight this fight for you. And that's why you they carry people picture, you carry and come out. Even one day, that's why she go bring my picture come out to say in this na me be correct too. Me no correct too before. I was not somebody, even somebody where know me for Facebook. Now come write me say, go call Lolo. She bring your picture come out and say, Lolo. What I'm concern Lolo? I know her before. I be her fans. I have to come call Monica. Now Monica me can't even call. Then I say I beg. Somebody tell me say Lolo bring my picture come out. What I do Lolo? Now she say it is na me be correct. Me no correct too. Saying this na me, somebody tell her say na me, I make him, and you not gonna even say me, you even confirm. Say whether na me, you can't bring my picture come out. Eh? I don't just understand. I even can see here for the video yesterday say when Lolo the talk and say you be one able to bring Lady T picture come out. You know Lady T. What do you know about Lady T when you want to bring her picture come out? What do you know about her? What did she don't ever do you? 12 and I don't ever talk or 12 and I don't ever get quarry. I you the carry people picture come out just like that. Are you kidding me right now? Eh? If not be say I can't call her that, then I say for carry my picture come out begin to my enemy picture. Say I do one or two things. I don't even know one or two. I don't know her before. I not be her fans. So at the time you come surprise me say what you concern this woman? Eh? When I stop to carry people picture come out anyhow. You go do the thing finish and go be like say nah. It go be like say that Monica na do one. Eh? I just shock. I shocked her eyes when I just see what they happen. So I say, eh? So does it mean all those things they really happen? Mona just dey careful. If you dey make friend, my dear, dey careful, eh? If you dey make friend, your mind dey tell you say this your friend not like you, boof am. Boof am me, friendship not be do or die. If you just notice am, say this thing is not going anywhere, my dear, boof am. Because all those friends wey they see so, and now God come dey help person for this your own friends, where person they see. You come be like say you not sabi make friend. You try carry the friendship, try make the friendship work as you go say na lie. Later they'll begin to talk different things, say you dey jealous them. Wetin una get wey person want jealous now? Wetin una get? Nobody they feed each other. Eh? And the funny part as una dey do and rich people still they love money. I don't want to surprise them for inside. Eh? I don't want to surprise them. So my dear Lolo, that one what you do, you not do one way. For you to go bring a picture come out, a video come out, you not do one way. Now beside decide Monica. Hey, I know say some things the way Monica say talk, we're not even supposed to talk for social media and say you they go they sleep with other men. I don't know, maybe I don't know whether that's truth or not because I know they there. All those ones I don't really know whether that's truth or not because I know they there. And you Monica, if not truth, you supposed to tell her say make she stop and become a married woman. Let's assume say na truth. You know, for that one self, you yourself, you get your own wrong too. You're supposed to even tell her, say this thing not good though, because you be married woman. Yeah, because na taboo. Na taboo. So my people, all those is where they happen for social media. Now they look and say, "Na just normal." I beg you, all those people that do they quarrel, pick 1 or 2 cents for inside all those saga. Pick 1 or 2 cents inside. You use that till reason your own self, till reason your own friendship. What you do say, hey, na true too. Man, really look whether this my friend self when they say na my best friend, or na this or na that or. Make I even know whether she even like me the way me like himself. Make I even if you be the naked, you be the best, you be the type where the naked for a president before. Stop him now. Stop him now, because if you don't get sense for this saga where the apple so, my dear, you don't go get sense again. Really, eh? Try me, you just get sense for inside. For waiting the apple so. If you be the naked before for where your friend is, because when I be women, my dear, stop them now. If you be man, they do have too for where your friend they stop them now, because you see what it happens so. He passed Jeremy, oh. He passed Jeremy. If you don't learn now, you don't go learn again. If you don't get sense now, and go out before the sense go come back again, my dear. You go out. What happened so he shocked everybody. He bust everywhere. Yeah. If I did sing that my music, say, words are not enough for me to say thank you. Igazuno gagbe eri seme yakmomo baba. Igarowe o baba ti gaji momi. Ese no me o. Igazeta waited egbe. If all those bad friends come my way, and so God they remove them. If they remove them, because they're not gonna fit any plan where they plan. You can never work for them. That is why the thing going to surprise them. That is why they're going to look me with bad eye and say, as they do rich, not the shaker, not mega, not the shaker. Because God, He did by my side. So if you don't learn for what they happen, so you don't go learn again. So if you did naked before for what your friend did, you did drink, you did do any as the video, you not just and just play. Go tell her, man, delete everything now. Because if you don't delete her now, what will go happen later? You go shocktalize. You go open mouth. The mouth, you don't go close. it not go close. So beware. If you make friend, use brain, use sense, use wisdom. Not just the open up for friend like that again. No. Try and keep some things. No, because I be say if they open up for friend, I better pass before. But I can't nah, me, I don't even learn. Say try to hide some things. Because if you not hide some things, you know if you move on for life. You know if you really like, you not gonna know your words. If you let friend tell you, say, see what you want, do see what you want, you not go move forward, my dear. You not go move forward. Like when I want to start this YouTube, I'm not saying that some of my friends they were trying to discourage me, but God not agree now. I not agree because if I don't talk, say I want to do something, I did one. So don't let anybody to bring you down. Don't let any friend. If you they make friends say you know they move forward, my dear, both farm. May you see, may you look whether if you leave if your life go there okay. If you go move forward, you understand? You just try like that. You really see and say, that's the soon I tell leave this girl, everything good for me. You can't say no be better person for you before. You don't know? So now so learn for what they happen, so my dear. Just learn. Learn. And one thing that they tell people we get sense. If you reach Ibele, you go know what's up, you go know what's in there. My people. Oh. Anyway, that's why I want to do this video reach today. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe, my dear. Continue to put thumbs up for me. So anything you think about this, my video, about this topic when I talk about today, just leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only, your sister, your friend, your everything. Jill, bye.